And farmers drawn from the Northern Rift region were given a chance to network with agribusiness experts in a bid to explore the latest trends in innovation and agriculture sector. Speaking at Tarakwa Diaries in Keses constituency, Uasin Gishu County, Peter Mutinda, the MD of Sasha Events International, said the move is aimed at bolstering food security in the country.
We are trying to bring in knowledge to farmers and to push and to emphasize implementation of the knowledge, which is the key thing that, is a differentiator to ensure that our farmers are equipped with the knowledge that is required to help the economy of this country. A country that is able to feed itself is actually on its feet. A country that cannot feed itself cannot sort any other issue around itself. And everybody knows about Kenya and mostly African countries and agriculture. It's the main contributor to GDP, and it's the way out.
All these 12,000 comes from largely small-scale farmers. About 90% are small-scale farmers. So we have contributed enormously to the domestic economy. And this is, you imagine 90 million within 9 months, that's an average of about 10 million every quarter. 90 million, is quite big in a single division, a single location.
Mbalimbali yanahusiana na ukulima, hususan ukulima wa ng'ombe, wa aina mimea yote na madawa ambayo yanatumika kutibu magonjwa yanayoathiri mimea na hata mifugo wetu. Kwa hiyo tumefunzwa mengi sana, tunashukuru sana.
The search for the body of a 70-year-old man who drowned in Kitui 4 days ago has continued at River Ithekethe. According to residents, the old man drowned on Monday night as he crossed the Solent River. The search conducted by the County Disaster Management Team and the Kenya Red Cross has been ongoing for the past 4 days without success.